You need to click on OK.
I clicked got it
Okay, fine.
because there is no okay.
All right. Be careful about the time.
No. I'm about to be done. No need to worry about the time. I'm about to be done.
Okay.
And then I just need to write this thing right here.
Done?
Wait, one more thing. Now I'm done.
Please share your work with me.
Here's my hero.
This is amazing. And
Here it says superhero.
okay.
And on his hat it says superhero.
Wow.
And that's the cape.
So,
and then here's my troll.
excellento. Well done. Okay, Sabrina, this is amazing. But the next thing that we need to do, we need to tell that what are the powers of your superhero and what are the powers of your villain or your antagonist. They must have some special powers, both of them, right?
Yeah.
So let's write on your paper where you have drawn both of them. Here with your superhero on the side, you can tell us about his superpowers or anything special that he has to save the world. And with your antagonist, you can also write about his powers that he used to cause trouble.
Okay. He has firepower.
Who?
The monster.
Okay.
And then
Try
the hero has water. And then the troll has another power, which is what should his other? Oh, freeze.
All right. Try to use the words protagonist and antagonist.
Freeze. I do fire and freeze, and then the superhero should have another power, which would be he can fly. So I'm just gonna fly, and then the monster also can. No, the hero can summon animals. Summon animals. And the troll can summon more trolls. Summon more trolls.
All right. I think these many powers are enough. What do you think?
Yeah, they all have 3.
All right.
They both have 3.
All right, Sabrina. Now you have got your protagonist. Did you name him? What's his name? You just cannot say superhero. Yes, please.
I'm gonna name the superhero Emma.
Is she a girl?
The troll, yeah, they're both girls.
Okay.
Emma. Wait, there's 2 M's in Emma.
Okay.
Emma.
Mm-hmm.
And this one, the troll's name's gonna be Mia.
All right.
Mia. There. Mia and Emma.
All right. Now you have your 2 characters. One is a protagonist, the superhero or hero of your story, and the other is antagonist, the villain or the evil character of your story. Just think for a situation where they both are in front of each other and they are fighting over something. Can you just think that what can be the issue on which they are fighting with each other? What the villain has done wrong So the superhero is there to fight with him or maybe to save somebody.
Well, Mia, the troll,
Hmm.
went, picked up a person, put them on their back, tied up,
All right.
and then went to the tippity top of the highest tower there with their sharp claws.
Mm-hmm.
And then Emma said when they flied up there too and said, put that person down. That's not the right thing to do. And Mia said, well, I'm evil, so I don't follow the rules. And froze her and pushed her away.
All right.
And then she unfreed when she hit the ground. And then she flew back up and said, why would you do that? Because I'm evil. I already said that. Now, bye-bye. And left the person frozen there.
So it
And
means,
then,
okay, you are continuing, please.
and then Mia ran over and froze the whole city so no one could move and call the police because the police were frozen too.
All right.
But Emma was still there. She was not frozen. So Emma went over to her, flew to her, and said, let's have a battle. Whoever wins has to do what the other person says forever. It cannot stop. Okay, said Mia. And then they did as they were told.
So
the first thing is to fight. And then they fight. Emma summoned all her animals. And Mia summoned more trolls. And then the animals were bigger than the trolls. But the trolls did not stop. They were smaller and smaller. And they were smaller when the animals were trying to eat them. Then they slided under them and tied them up.
Your story is getting longer and longer. Try to finish it.
But then there was the smallest animal and they couldn't go under them. So then they jumped on top of the trolls and the trolls were dead. So they couldn't, so Mia did not win and Emma won. And Emma said, I won, so you have to go in jail and unfreeze everybody for what you did and say sorry forever. And as she was told, she did, even though she was evil.
Okay.
The end.
This is amazing. 2 thumbs up for you and butterfly claps.